Welcome to the top best. The best Costway Dryer 1500 is probably one of the most sought-after compact dryers on the market, offering a surprisingly robust performance for its size and price point, making it an ideal solution for apartments, dorm rooms, or any living space where a full-sized appliance just won't fit. If you're tired of waiting for clothes to air dry or dealing with the hassle of laundromat visits, this portable dryer might just be the game-changer you've been looking for, promising convenience and efficiency without breaking the bank. Number 5. Duracell Coppertop AA Batteries, 16 count. Introducing Duracell Coppertop AA Batteries. Engineered with power boost ingredients for reliable, long-lasting energy. These AA batteries are perfect for all your household and office needs. Keep your essential devices running smoothly. Trust in the power of Duracell. Our alkaline batteries provide consistent performance when you need it most. This 16-count pack ensures you have plenty of power on hand. Stock up and stay prepared for anything. Choose Duracell Coppertop for dependable power that lasts. Experience the difference in your everyday devices. What we like. If you need reliable power for your everyday devices, these batteries are a great choice. They offer long-lasting performance and are perfect for household and office electronics. Choose them for consistent power when you need it most. What people say. The dryer is compact and fits well in small spaces. It has multiple heat settings and a timer, offering flexibility for different fabric types. The stainless steel drum is durable and prevents snagging of clothes. Number 4. Costway Compact Laundry Dryer. This dryer is incredibly lightweight and compact, making it perfect for small spaces like apartments or dorm rooms. You can easily place it on the floor, mount it on a wall, or even put it on a rack. With 850 W of power and a 10 pounds capacity, it dries your clothes quickly, even on rainy days. For best results, we recommend drying about 5.5 pounds of clothes at a time. Choose from multiple modes like cool, warm, hot, and air dry to suit different fabric types and drying needs. You can also set specific times for customized drying. Enjoy a peaceful environment as this dryer operates with minimal noise. It won't disturb your conversations or sleep. Built with a high-quality stainless steel tub, this appliance is designed for long-lasting durability and reliable performance. What we like. If you live in a small apartment or dorm, this dryer is ideal for you. Its compact size and quiet operation make it perfect for limited spaces. Consider this if you need a convenient way to dry clothes without a lot of noise. What people say. The dryer is compact and fits well in small spaces. It has multiple drying settings to choose from, including time dry and sensor dry. The lint filter is easy to access and clean. Number 3. Imncya 25 PCS Compatible Cloth Dryer Filter Set. This set includes 25 replacement filters to meet your daily needs. You'll receive 20 exhaust filters and 5 air intake filters for your convenience. These filters are designed to be compatible with various dryer models. They fit Sonia, Panda, Magic Chef, and Avant dryers, ensuring a broad range of use. Keeping your dryer running smoothly is simple with these filters. Just remove and brush or vacuum them clean. Please avoid using water for maintenance. Crafted from resilient polyester, these filters are built to last. Each one is inspected to ensure it helps your dryer operate efficiently and extends its lifespan. These filters effectively capture lint and debris, preventing buildup inside your dryer. This reduces the risk of overheating and protects internal components for better appliance reliability. What we like. If you own a compatible dryer and want to ensure optimal performance, this filter set is a must-have. It provides ample replacements to keep your dryer running efficiently. Choose this for enhanced protection and extended appliance life. What people say. This dryer is very quiet and efficient. It has a large capacity and dries clothes quickly. The dryer is easy to use and has multiple settings to choose from. Number 2. 110V 1600W 3-tier Foldable Clothes Dryer. Introducing our 3-tier foldable clothes dryer, designed to handle your family's laundry needs. It's spacious enough to dry an entire load at once, with extra hangers for towels and undergarments. With a 1600W motor, this dryer dries your clothes faster, saving you precious time. It's built with multiple safety features for your peace of mind during operation. Our dryer features an anion function that helps eliminate bad substances from your clothes. It's especially beneficial for children's and pets items, promoting a healthier environment. This dryer is perfect for apartments and small spaces. It folds down compactly, allowing for easy storage behind doors or under beds. We offer a 1-year replacement service for any issues with the dryer's components. Buy with confidence, knowing we've got you covered. What we like. If you have a large family or need to dry a lot of laundry quickly, this dryer is an excellent option. Its powerful performance and multi-tiered design handle significant loads. Opt for this if you prioritize speed and capacity for your family's needs. What people say. The dryer is compact and fits well in small spaces. It has multiple heat settings and a timer, offering flexibility for different fabric types. The stainless steel drum is durable and prevents snagging of clothes. Number 1. Whirlpool PT220L Genuine OEM Electric Power Cord. Ensure your appliance runs smoothly with a genuine OEM power cord from Whirlpool. It's designed specifically for your dryer, meeting tested engineering standards for quality you can trust. This power cord, model PT220L, is a direct replacement for multiple part numbers, including 211053 and 3389955. It's a hassle-free solution to get your appliance back up and running. Designed to be compatible with most freestanding electric dryers, this cord offers versatile application. You can be confident it will fit your appliance. Measuring 4 feet long, it features a right-angle 3-prong plug and a UL-listed 30-amp black cord with adjustable strain relief. Safety and durability are built in. For over 100 years, Whirlpool has been dedicated to appliance care. Trust our replacement parts, made with durable materials and innovative processes, to care for your home. What we like. If you're looking to replace a power cord for your electric dryer, this genuine part is the best bet. It's designed for compatibility and durability, ensuring your appliance functions safely. Select this if you value quality and a reliable connection for your dryer. What people say. This dryer is very quiet and dries clothes quickly. It is compact and fits well in my small laundry room. The multiple drying settings are convenient for different types of fabrics. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.